Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ellevest for career-based investing goals, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Ellevest for your career-based investing goals, begin by visiting the Ellevest website. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Once registered, log in to your newly created account. Begin the onboarding process by completing the questionnaire provided. This will help Ellevest understand your financial situation and career aspirations. Provide details about your income, job stability, and any other financial obligations. Next, specify your investing goals clearly. Are you saving for a future job transition, further education, or retirement? Be open about your risk tolerance level during this step. Ellevest will use this information to tailor a personalized investment strategy. Once you've submitted your responses, review the suggested investment plan. Take the time to understand the asset allocation recommended for your goals. If everything looks good, proceed to fund your Ellevest account. You can link your bank account for a seamless transfer of funds. Confirm the initial investment amount you wish to contribute. After funding, monitor your account regularly to track progress toward your goals. Make adjustments to your investment strategy as your career situation evolves. Stay informed about market trends that may affect your investments. Utilize Ellevest's educational resources to enhance your understanding of investing. Remember, periodic reassessment of your goals will be vital for long-term success. Engage with the community and consider seeking advice from fellow investors. Continue refining your strategy as you advance in your career and your financial goals change. Congratulations, you are now set up to pursue your career-based investing goals with Ellevest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.